Hello, welcome back guys. Marco in Mexico here. It's been a while since I put out a video on this channel, but I'm finally committed to putting some out regularly, real estate related. We're gonna do property tours, gonna talk real estate, maybe some neighborhood tours, grab some tacos, a little bit of everything. Today we're heading to 100 Los Pinos, which is located in AMAPAS Puerto. My brokerage is doing an open house there, and I shot some video there as well. So also for those that don't know, I'm not only a real estate agent here in Puerto Vallarta, I shoot real estate photos and videos, so I'm gonna go grab a little bit more content over there. We'll give you guys a tour, so just taking you along the ride guys. We're loosey-goosey. Property tour coming up. This place is beautiful and it is Vallarta style, which I absolutely love. If you live in Vallarta, why not buy a place that's the style of where you're living? So before we get started here, before I arrive, I just want to let you guys know who I am, because I've actually gained some subscribers from my time away from this channel. And of course, for those that don't know, I also have a secondary channel, More Life Diaries, which is more of our family type of channel. We do walking tours, vlogs, foodie, restaurant stuff, just a lifestyle channel about Puerto Vallarta and wherever we travel to. So More Life Diaries, go subscribe there. And of course, don't forget to subscribe here for additional Vallarta videos, because if you love Vallarta, you're like me, you can't get enough of these YouTube videos. So I hope you like the content. Hit that subscribe button. So a little bit more about me. I'm Marco, aka Mark, aka Marc Andre, my real French Canadian name. Been living in Puerto Vallarta since 2002, so just over 3 years now, with my beautiful wife Kathleen, and we moved here with 2 kids, and we now have 3 kids. Bastian, 8 years old, Callie, 4 years old, and Amihan, our beautiful new baby girl, 3 months old. So we've been living here for 3 years. We absolutely love it. I left my corporate job back in Toronto, as did my wife, to start over here. And this is where I got into real estate in Puerto Vallarta. I never thought about getting into real estate beforehand. I was a business analyst. I studied marketing in school, so quite the career change, but been loving it. And yeah, of course, in addition to doing real estate, as I mentioned, I do YouTube videos. I do real estate related property tour type of videos and photography for listings, my own and of course others. So if you're interested in seeing any properties around town, we can go on a neighborhood tour, we can go on a property tour. Anything you might need real estate related, please give me a shout. Marco in Mexico Realtor at gmail.com. You can email me there, and my phone number, everything else is in the description down below. So as you can maybe hear right now from my tires hitting the cobblestone road, we are in Emiliano Zapata, aka Zona Romantica, aka Old Town. We're heading over to AMAPAS, which is the neighboring neighborhood here. Beautiful neighborhood. I can't say enough good things about this neighborhood. You're walkable to Old Town, you're walkable to Conchas Chinas, my personal favorite beach. And this place is located, just walking distance to everything. So quite the perfect place for those that like to go to restaurants, like to go to coffee shops, like to walk and sightsee and go to the beach, but want a little quiet retreat in the evening time, a quiet coffee mountainside in the morning time, and of course you're walkable to the beach in AMAPAS, a beautiful small remote beach. So just a really nice location. I think between, living in Zona Romantica or even Conchas Chinas, I think AMAPAS is like probably my favorite out of the 3 for the things that I've mentioned. So really awesome location. You guys will see. And The view from there and the condo itself is just quite beautiful, very spacious as well. So let me pull up to this condo here and I will give you a little bit more details about the listing, and of course we're gonna go take a little walk through the condo, just something fun. I'll tell you guys what I love most about it, and comment down below what you love most about it. So let's go. So we're here, Los Pinos 100. I'm about to go in and give you guys a property tour of this beautiful Mexican style condo, which is more and more rare nowadays. I love the finishes in this place, so I can't wait to show you a little bit about the condo. First, the area. As I mentioned, we're in AMAPAS between Old Town and Conchas Chinas, so you're walkable to both places. And of course, AMAPAS Beach, a beautiful, small, remote, quiet beach for the most part. So if you like walking, you're going to get your steps in living at this place here. And also, it's not far up the hill. There's an entrance all the way at the bottom of the hill and one on top, so you don't have to go all the way through the hills of AMAPAS to get to your place. Wonderful if you're taking a taxi anywhere or driving. The property itself is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. You get a beautiful ocean view and also a mountain view, so it's nice and cozy, and you'll see that in just a second. Low HOAs, which is also rare to find nowadays, all for under 450K USD. So come on with me. I'm excited to show you guys this beautiful property here. I'm also with Chase here, being a gentleman and a scholar holding the gate, and he's gonna help me walk around this place. So coming in from on the street level parking side, it is only 1 floor down. So if you're doing a big Costco run in it or anything, you could just bring them down 1 flight of stairs and you're greeted by this beautiful like sunroom type of stairway. Really nice, a lot of light coming in from this way, and a lot of these units actually have beautiful glass finishing as well. I'll show you in just a second. And we're right here, we're right at the apartment. We're here, condo 16. Let's go have a look inside. Right, so walking in, you're greeted by a beautiful entryway. Hang your hats, hang your jacket that you won't need. And these were the beautiful finishes I was talking about in the window. I love this entryway, nice and spacious. Leave the shoes out here. And then you walk up and it's the kitchen right away. And let me tell you, before I show you, you have more counter space than you'll ever need in this kitchen. More than enough space to host or have all your kids sitting around the kitchen waiting for your beautiful creation. I like to cook, so I always appreciate a nice big kitchen like this. And right beside the kitchen here, kind of like a little sunroom type of deal. It is open to the top, as you can see, and it brings beautiful sunlight in as well. So you have this extra den, as we call it in Canada. You know, you can make a little office space, storage room, whatever you want. It has sliding doors to cut it off, so really nice and spacious office. I guess is the best place to make an office in here. Right beside it, we have the laundry room, washer, dryer stacked, and a lot of storage space beside it as well. Nice big fridge, and more importantly, an oven, which is rare to see in these more traditional style places. All right, now we're walking into the dining and living room area. Again, a very spacious area. Let me show you this amazing dining table here. Beautifully done, right against the wall, which is great too. It doesn't take a lot of space, and the woodwork on these chairs and mirror is amazing. Just goes really well with the style of the condo. Beautiful big living space. Living room open to the balcony, so it stretches that out even further. Just gives you the sense of living indoors and outdoors, which I absolutely love. Got, of course, room for a big couch, a big sectional if you wish to put, and then of course TV with the shelves. A nice beautiful touch. Overall, I love how the place is furnished as is, but of course, if you want to make it slightly more cozy, you can throw in a sectional in here. All right, now we're about to go to my favorite part of this condo here, and this is the main bedroom, and you'll soon find out why. Go up a few stairs, and then you have this beautiful view of AMAPAS from the main bedroom, but also access to the balcony from here. So you can get right out of bed, grab your morning coffee, come down here, or lounge right here on this built-in bench. Storage as well, all below this bench, so more than enough storage for your things. I also love this built-in bed. This is cement at the bottom here, a nice cozy bed, and it's nice and low as well, which I absolutely love for sleeping. Just the touches in this bedroom. I really like the columns here, the built-in shelves. Let's take a look at the main bedroom full bath. On this side, you have the closet included. So it's like a bathroom slash closet slash walk-in closet. A lot of space in both of these closets, and then an open shower, which I personally like. You could choose to close it off, but this is a very big shower, so you just have more than enough space to not flood the whole bathroom here. It has a little lip at the bottom as well, so the water doesn't go everywhere, but I really like the size of this shower. Whew. All right, let's go to the second bedroom here, right across the hall. Nice and cozy bedroom as well. We have a king size bed in here. We have a nice view, just a green hillside view on this side, and then some storage space, a nice big mirror. This bedroom is a nice size. It has the built-in bed as well, so that doesn't move unless you were to remove the whole thing. Small closet here, and you walk down to the shower, which is also open, the bathroom, which does have a door. A nice big bathroom with counter space. I really like how spacious this bathroom is right off the secondary bedroom here. Here's a view of the kitchen, dining, living area. Walking down from the main bedroom here to the balcony, you have a big open space to decorate however you like. We've got Chase, we've got Chris, and we've got the beautiful ocean view, the money shot. And this way we got AMAPAS. This place is great, nice and spacious, a big balcony. I want to go upstairs and show you guys the rooftop here. There's no pool, which is what keeps the HOA fees nice and low, but the view from the rooftop is absolutely breathtaking. Let's head up there and I'm going to show you guys this amazing view from the AMAPAS rooftop here. All right, we are on our way to the rooftop here. We have a beautiful picturesque backdrop already. Wait until you see the ocean side, Banderas Bay. So we have a very spacious rooftop behind me. Again, there's not much up here, so you can really make what you want out of this space. If you want to buy a little patio set and come watch the amazing sunsets from up here. Again, the HOAs are very low here, and that's because there are no amenities, but at the very least, you do get a beautiful rooftop, whale watching. You see the beach, you see the pier. Let me show you guys this ridiculous view, and the sunsets are 5 stars from up here. Get AMAPAS Beach over here, and then of course the pier, Zona Romantica, Centro. You see all of PV from this beautiful rooftop here. That's it for the property tour. Los Pinos 100, located right on the border here of AMAPAS and Conchas Chinas. A beautiful, quiet area if you want to get away from the chaos of Zona Romantica, but still be able to pop in, go to restaurants, coffee shops, everything right under 450K USD. This place could be yours. My information's down below if you want to come view this property or any properties around PV. Please give me a shout, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Marco in Mexico, I'm back on the YouTube channel, so definitely hit the subscribe button and the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next maybe property tour, maybe taco tour, maybe neighborhood tour. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Marco in Mexico here, and I'm out.